So welcome to our channel. So today we are going to solve the brand new CTF called the Detecting Web Attacks on the TryHackMe platform. So actually we have already started to solving this, but I forgot to add my mic. So we will be doing it again. So here are the first question. What class of attackers rely on exploiting users' behavior? So answer was very simple, the client side. Second question was, what is the most common client side attacks? Here it is most common, which is XSS, and here is it's a simple payload. So when we now what we will do, we will go to the task number 3. Here is our machine is also started. Now let's check whether it is booted or not. So let's come to task number 3. Server side attacks rely on exploiting vulnerabilities within a web server. Okay, so before this server side attacks, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video, as we are onto cybersecurity stuff only. Okay, so let's first come to the questions directly. So here, what class of attacks rely on exploiting vulnerabilities within a server? So the answer is very simple. Answer is server side attacks rely on exploiting vulnerabilities within a web server. So here we go, we will give this. Let's check the answer. It is correct. Now, which server side attack lets the attackers abuse from to dump database contents? So it is very simple. It's SQL. I think that. Now let's check. SQL. SQLi. Let's check. Yes, it is. So basically, what SQLi relies on attacking database that sits behind website and occurs when applications build queries. Okay, so we have in our previous some of the labs we have already discussed this in a detail, so you can watch that video as well. Here it's again, I think lot of people are solving this, so that's why it is not booting up. You can see that 2700 people are actively solving this, and it's a very new lab, so that's why. But we will again try. Now let's go to task number 4, which is log based detection. So logs can be valuable tool for detecting web attacks. Every request sent to a web server can leave evidence in its access and error log. So as in cybersecurity, you know that whenever we log in, log out, or do any kind of thing, our logs get added to the system. So this on based on this stuff, but we will come here and add what is attacker's user agent while performing the directory fuzz. So user agent directly we can say that, meaning which browser or what, here it is, what kind of service he is using. So he is using Mozilla 5.0. So let's check this one. It should be right. Okay, so it is not. Now let's check. Okay, so it is not showing, but what we'll do, we will type this out and let's check if it is right or not. So as you can see that here is 4 letters and then there is a gap, so we'll come here and check if there is any other service that he was using. We'll come here. Okay, so no, he was using this only, Mozilla. Let's check now. What we will do, we will go Mozilla. Okay, so no, it's not quite a right answer. Okay, so we'll come here. What we'll do, we will give this first HTTP, as they might be agent, so this might be a right answer as well. Okay, .1 slash. Okay, but agent. Okay, so what we'll do, we will go to next question and come back later on to this. Okay, so what is the name of the page on which the attacker performs the brute force? Okay, so as you can see that it must be login something, login.php. Okay, so here it is, login.php. What we will do, we will okay, the slash login.php. It should be right answer. Let's check. Okay, so it is. So then now go to next question. So what is a complete decoded SQLi payload the attacker uses on the, so it's again not booting. We will terminate this. Go Okay, so welcome back. So yesterday we were not able to start our machines. Today we have able to now. So let's go to the questions directly. So here are the questions. What is attacker's user agent while performing directory first? So what we will do? We will open the access.logs first. Let's go. And then I think we need to open the traffic file, which is a Wireshark file which contains all the logs. Okay, so here, as you can see that, okay, so I think double F U double F is our user agent. So this might be right. Let's type double F U F. Okay, and check if it is right or wrong. It should be right. Okay, so let's go, and I will delete all the unnecessary part from the video which is not necessary, as some try and error was also used. So here we go. Answer is right. Okay, so now let's go to the directly question number 3. What is complete decoded SQLi payload? Okay, so before that, just to go around to our second file, traffic.pcap, which is a wireshark file. So we can like use it to solve the further questions. Okay. mm, okay, so here we go. We can say that it's opening. Okay, let's check quickly. Okay, so one CTF and one other question. Okay, let's go. Before that, we will solve the task number 4's last question. Okay, let's start. mm, First we'll make it a full screen, close this out. Okay, so it's taking some time. Let's check here. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, we'll before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. Okay, so connection was interrupted. Okay, it's okay. I think our Wi-Fi is not working properly. We will connect it again. Okay, so okay, welcome back. So we have connected it, and now we are good to go. Okay, so now let's come to our last question. Before that, let's check if connected or not. Okay, it's connected. So here we need to SQLi payload. Okay, so complete decoded SQLi payload. I think we might be able to find it here. Okay, so we got it. One or A. So as it's a correct, just we need to modify it a bit as it is saying what is complete. Okay, what we will do, rather than slash, we will use the percentage symbol, and rather than A, we will be using 1 1. Okay, so 1 equal to 1. Yes, it's right, and percentage slash, it's also right. So it's a decoded SQLi code. Let's check now. 1 slash 1 plus enter. Let's check. Okay, we got it. So now let's go to the number 5. So we came here. Okay, let's check now. Okay, network traffic analysis allows analysis to examine raw data exchanged between a client and a server. Okay, we are good to go. Now let's come here. Okay, we got it. Now first one is identify the brute force attack. Okay, so here, as I told you that it's a wireshark file, we need some thing to filter out, some command to filter it out. Okay, we will check which command we are requiring. Before that, just open it a bit and check how actual the log files are looking. Okay, good to go. Here we got one command. Let's press enter and check we got it or not. Okay, nothing. Okay, I think we check a hint. It will be a quick one rather than using the try and error method. Okay, HTTP is looking good. Okay, so let's check a hint first. Okay, so hint here is HTTP response code. Okay, it was easy one. HTTP dot response dot code 302. Okay, we will cut this out and give the required filter command. Okay, we got it. Now 302 found. Yes, we now click to follow HTTP path, HTTP stream. My bad. And now let's check. Okay, so here we go. I think we have found the password, a strong password 123. Okay, we got it. We will copy this out and paste. Answer should be correct. Okay, here we go. Let's enter, submit. Okay, right. Okay, so don't forget to like the video as well. Okay, again just telling. Okay, now let's check the second hint as well, so that it will be a quick one. Correlated access log timestamp with network traffic. Okay, so it simply means we need to correlate the our log file and the wireshark file, and then we need to check about the timestamp, and then we will get our answer. Okay, so let's check both of them. Okay, here we go. I have opened both. Let's check me. Okay, so I am getting one SQL map dot table. Okay, I think we should check this one first. Okay, before that, I think we just give it a HTTP one, so that it will be easy for us. Okay, so it's our password. We'll cut this out. Okay, and give the HTTP only. Hit enter. Now let's check if we got it or not. Make it full screen a bit. Okay, now let's check where it is. Okay, Hydra. After, okay, here at the last. Now let's check same follow HTTP stream. Now let's check. Okay, I think now let's come here, come down. Okay, here we go. I got it. HTM dumped a DB. Copy this. Now let's come to our platform. Okay, hit enter. Yes, it's correct. Now we are on the task number 6. Web application firewall are often first line of defense for websites and web applications. Okay, good. Here are the rules. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll come down. Okay, often first line of defense, mm, block of attack patterns, deny known malicious sources. Okay, okay, etc. So what do W inspect and filter? Okay, so as you know, the answer is in our theory itself, so we will check the theory. Okay, what do WAF inspect and filter? Okay, so let's come to our theory and we will get the answer from there itself. Let's come. Okay, any modern WF? Okay, no, nothing. We will go to the first. Okay, are often the first line of defense for websites and WAFs. Okay, it's the same. WAF inspect and filter. Okay, so let's check for the keywords so that it will be more easy. Okay, get request, no. Okay, SQL been automated, no, it's also not. Okay, what do you think? No, tailored. User IP reputation, okay, no. Okay, so as far as in the room, we have focused on detecting, analyzing malicious activity. Now we will shift our focus to one of the most effective mitigation tools available. WAF acts as a gatekeeper for your web application, inspecting packet full request packets. Okay, here we go. We have got a clue. Similar to Wireshark ability, but with ability to decrypt TLS traffic and filter it before it reaches the server. Okay, ability to, okay, secondary W inspect and decide whether to allow web request. Okay, so as you can see that web request, now let's try web request. Okay, web request. Okay, here we go. Okay, the answer is right. Now let's go to the second question. Create a custom firewall rule to block any user agent that matches bot THM. Okay, so here are the rules given. Now let's look at the rule number 2. If user agent equal to Hydra. Okay, so now it's very simple. If, okay, I will type it out. If user agent, okay, contains, then contains, okay, here we go, bot THM, bot THM, then block. Let's check. Okay, here we go, it's raised. Now let's go to conclusion. Okay, I think we got it. So that's it for the video. See you in next one. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much.